This Junko kinda looks bored. What can it do? Well, it has been eating. Then stumbles across something. A basketball hoop. It should play basketball and the winner gets white Prosamella, a Junko's favorite seed. The game has started. That Junko has the ball. He has the ball, then he throws it. Then he makes it in. The Junko's really happy. Then the other Junko gets the ball. They have a stare down. What will the Junko do next? The Junko runs away to try to stop the ball. But what's this? The Junko with the basketball is chasing that Junko. Another play. The Junko gives the ball to the other Junko. Then the Junko tries to score. The Junko's happy because to the Junkos it looks like this, and it's really easy to miss, but they can still get it in. And the Junkos both tied, so now they're enjoying sharing their meal of white rice melon.